Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, we have the link from Wipro. So, yesterday I posted a video regarding the updations that Wipro have passed up and this like the syllabus, the selection process, how that will be, how will be the online assessment, what is the preparation strategy, everything. So, I got immense comments like, where is the registration link? Today only it have started, like yesterday by midnight. So, I thought of sharing it now. So if you are wishing to apply for that, you can apply it in. It is for 2020, 21st and 22 batches. So if you're very new to this video, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you get the notifications regarding any kind of videos you upload. So let's get into this. So here you can see this is the link. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can apply it as soon as you watch this video. So this is it. Engineering graduates from 2020, 21 and 22 are eligible in here. Okay. So here for coming to the eligibility criteria, any qualification criteria is BE, BTech, ME or MTech. Okay, that is compulsory degree is BE or BTech, ME, MTech, 5-year integrated course. Full-time course recognized by the central or the state government of India. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education degree. 10th or 12th. Okay, so what they're meaning is around your graduation, like 10th, 12th, and degree, you must not be enrolled to any kind of correspondence or part-time courses. The central or the state government recognized universities you must be enrolled to. Okay, all branches except the fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture, and food technology. So, excluding all these, okay, fashion technology, textile engineering, and agriculture technology, all other B.Tech branches can apply, irrespective of belong to mechanical, auto, whatever. Okay, if you are not from this like branches, then you can apply it in here. Now the year of passing is for 2020, 21st and 22. Then one backlog is allowed at till the offer stage. So if you have one backlog as of now, it's okay till the offer stage. Before that, if you could clear them, it's fine. But after that, your offer letter effectiveness will be with respect to the backlogs that you are holding. So 60% or 6.0 CGPA equivalent as per your university guidelines, then 10th, 12th everywhere. So they have mentioned this 10th, 12th and graduation 60% or equivalent CGPA required for them. Okay, now the age limit is 25. Now the last day to apply is on January 31st. So you have almost greater than one solid month. So make sure you apply the same. And if you want to know how you can prepare, like how the syllabus is, how you can prepare within this 1 month, please to have a look at my just previous video which I uploaded yesterday. So in there I have explained what is the syllabus of Wipro and what is the examination pattern and how much questions, how can you answer that, how you need to prepare, what all things that you should keep in your mind while appearing for the Wipro examination, everything. So if you have any doubts, please do have a look at that video and just know about the syllabus and how you need to prepare for the exam, so that you will get an idea how much days you need to prepare. Okay, according to you, how much days you need to prepare with the syllabus. So accordingly, you start your preparation according to your convenience. Okay, so soon after you watch this video, apply it and have a look at that video too. Now, the online assessment will be continued further after. They haven't fixed a particular date, it seems. So after this registration, they'll start sending the online assessment links. Okay, so that is it. Now the round, okay, the selection process round is of all these process. First, you need to register for that. Then you will have an assessment, online assessment. And what is the assessment, everything I have mentioned in my previous video. And there will be business discussion. After that, you will get the offer letter. So these are the steps. So compensation flow, this is how it works. You can see once you join the Wipro within 6 months, joining compensation is 3,50,000, 3.5 LPAs. Then flat bonus will be post 6 months from joining, that is 25,000, to be merged with the compensation after 12 months of bonus payout. Then regular year increments will be there. Then merged bonus on 18th, 24th and 36th month from date of joining. So 18th month, 24th month and 36th month you will be getting bonus. So this is how the compensation flow is in Wipro. Now, as of now, what is the compensation? So compensation per annum is 3.5 lakhs per annum, and you are getting recruited to a designation of project engineer. And of course, there is a service agreement here for the 12 months at 75,000. That is 12 months in just 1 year of service agreement. Then That's it. Now coming to the additional criteria, that is apart from the eligibility criteria, one backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stages. They have already mentioned before offer letter you must have cleared, but till then if you have one backlog then it's fine. Maximum 3 years of age gap is education allowed at 10 to graduation. That is from 10 standard to graduation first year. Okay, it is not like when you start your graduation. Okay, you started your graduation around 2015, and after that 2016 you had 3 years gap, and now you are joining. It's not like that. From 10 standard to first year of graduation, from the graduation you joined, if you have some 3 years of age gap, it's fine and completely okay. But if you have started after your graduation, you must have completed your graduation within the stipulated time. That is, if you are BE BTech student and your graduation duration is 4 years, so you must have been sticking to that. Okay, now candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible here. You should be an Indian citizen or should hold a POA or OCI card. In the event of holding a passport or any other country, Bhutan or Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. So here they have mentioned it was like for Wipro, they used to put the criteria as 3 months as well. But here they have mentioned 6 months criteria. So if you have applied to this before 6 months, if you have take part to this, then since it in here, it is 6 months criteria. Within that time, if you are applied, you cannot apply for that. But if it is more than that, you can definitely apply it in here. Okay, so Wipro do have criteria like 3 months and 6 months. So here it is 6 months applicable. Now, Bhutan, Nepal nations need to submit their citizenship. Okay, so this is all about the Wipro recruitment or the phase 2 hiring for the Wipro. So to register for that, you can click on the register now button and you can complete the registration. So it's been a while that Wipro have been using the Superset registration platform. So here you might have been well aware about the registration steps, or you might have been created a profile already. So if you want to make necessary changes in your profile, you just make it and apply it to the same. And if not, you can start a fresh new creation of profile. So I'll show you like how you can create your Superset profile now. So here too, they have mentioned the very same things. Everything is pretty same. So here you can see you need to get your email ID. So let's have that and see how the registration process to take place. So this is the registration steps. You can see it in here, the basic details. You need to give the contact details, your most recent education, that is your graduation details, then previous education, that is 10, 12, diploma, whatever, then internship and work experience. So if you have any work experience, you can provide, else you can completely skip that, because they have mentioned for ME and MTech field too. So if in between BE, BTech, ME, MTech graduation or something, if you have some part-time, whatever, okay, it's completely dependable. And if you have, you give. After that, next is profile photo and documents. That will be your resume part and your profile photo. So as I always mention, please go for a professional photo or passport size photo which is having a plain background. If plain white will go well, and if you don't have the plain background or plain white background, there is immense tools available across internet to change the background of your photo. You can upload your photo it in there. They'll instantly change the background and give it to you as a the picture format itself. Okay, so that's it. After that, apply to this particular role. Okay, so this is about the opening available. So you can see they are having the turbo and star for this as well. So let's see what will be the criteria for that. So all the criteria is the same only, but they have mentioned CS, IT, circuital, mech, light, and integrated like branches, and percentage criteria same, and maximum active block that same. Year of passing 2022. So turbo roll is for 2022 students, and there is no age gap limit and everything. So if you just see what is the turbo roll and how it is getting processed and everything, you can see it in here. What is the package for the turbo roll, everyone? It is 5.5 plus 1 lakh retention bonus paid after 1 year of completion and merged to CTZ after 1 year. So this is about the turbo roll details. And there is also star roll provided here. So you can just see what is the details of that. Okay, so I'll leave the link for the everything in the description. You can see that. So it is 10 lakhs per annum plus 1 lakh retention bond and paid. So you just have a look at that as well. Okay, so everybody, please to apply it at the earliest and see, just have a constant look after the registration deadline, that is on January 31st. In your mail you will get the assessment links, and start your preparation. Don't get delay, start it at the earliest. Okay, so once again I'm reminding you regarding the preparation strategy. Please have a look at my previous video, just uploaded a day before, like yesterday. So have a look at that. I have completely explained everything in detail. Okay, so that's all, guys. So what, apply it at the earliest. Don't postpone it, like I'll apply it next week or January. Don't delay it. Please to apply it. And the application is not only done, and you need to apply it, and after that start your preparation and attend your exam fruitfully. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any further doubts, please to mention in the comment section. We'll look forward for that. And any suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. And one more thing is that if there is anything, if there is any comment which I have explained apart from the video, I'll definitely consider it. And if it needs a explanation, we'll bring a video on that. And if it is pretty enough to reply as it is, then obviously we'll reply to as it. Okay, so that's all, guys. So till I come up with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.